Hello adorables, welcome to my channel everyone. Today I have a promotional package here. I opened it up to see what it was. So this was given to me free of charge to open it and show it to you on my channel. That's all that means. Promotional. Okay. Ooh, it's heavy. Okay. This is from Nakoos. That's who I have the arrangement with. Magnifying clamp light, 10 levels of brightness, super bright LED lighting, sturdy and stable design, and powerful magnification. Let's see. Let us see. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Here's some little cleaning things. Oh my gosh. So, where does that go? I don't know. In here, it goes in here. All right. Now let's look at the directions before I put it on there. I don't know what way it will go. Let's look at some directions. Comes with a warranty. There's your warranty. Okay. Oh, look. There's a little bubble in to really magnify it. But it lights up inside. Okay. On, off. Turn up the brightness. Switch the color temperature. Turn down the brightness. One click maximum bright. So here's how this goes. I can't look at it with the bar in front of my face, so let me tend to this. Okay, so it comes with a little wrench or screwdriver, and it comes with some screws. And what I'm going to have to do is screw this onto here, and then this is going to clamp on the table. I hope it's going to fit my table, and I will be back. Okay, so I was going to put it on this part, and I thought this is going to be better on this part for me, but the holes are there in case that's the way you're going to fit it on your table. I hope I'm doing it right for my table. In my brain, the way I see it, yeah, I'm doing it right. You never know. And I will know. Okay. Are you in there yet? Yes. I hope. Yeah, it's a line. I'm sitting there thinking, what if they don't go in? Okay. That's what happens when you do it freestyle and try to be fancy. Is it in the hole? Yeah, it is now. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Because I wanted to say we're done, but I can't do that. I have to finish it. Okay. Now, this is going to go on a table. I think it, how big is it? Let's see how big it is first before we go thinking where we're putting it. And then this turns. I hope, yeah, that's going to turn. Okay, so I want this. Hold up. Okay, so I'm going to push this right in that hole there. Without pinching my fingers in that, which I have done before on my pink lamp I used to have. And get all this stuff off of here. And this nice little box. I'm going to save this box. I like it. It's like you don't get things like this anymore. That fold up nice. The one that my Xbox came in, I wanted to save that box. And I was like, no, you might get more money if it comes in the original box. Just take it. But I was using that for all my crystal diamond paintings. So what's next on the list here? We've got to screw this to the table. We've got to tighten it to the table. Hold up. Okay, so what I have discovered, it does not fit on my black table. I'll show you why. I have this slip, and then the rest of the table is down here. So this piece only goes like halfway. It can't go back any further because that lip is there. So I'm going to try it on a different table. I need a few more seconds. I didn't want the video to stop. Okay, so once again, this is from Nakoos. And here it is. And this is how I got it on the table. Now I have to plug it in. Let's see how far it's going to stretch though. We will figure that out after I get it set. Hold up. I guess I should say this is the plug that is attached to it. And then you have another one here. Okay. Did I put that in there right? Why is it still sticking out? I don't like that that sticks out of there a little bit. You see the silver in there? I don't like that. Are they all like that? I never noticed it before. Okay, let me plug it in. Yeah, apparently they're all like that. I can see it here too. I just never noticed it before. Hi, Dobby. So this turns. This turns in here, and it can come down like this. I think that's the better way to have it. Doesn't want to come up anymore that way. Well, it wants to come down. Okay. So this is the brightness button, the warmth, I think. It's not good enough. I have to focus closer. Okay. I have to put something under it. Okay. All right. How about a lottery ticket? Okay. Can you tell the difference in that? Yes, I can see that zoomed. Okay, I have to move this way so I can look in this little hole. Can we zoom in on the hole? Here's the lightings. What was that one for again? Okay. Switch 5 different color temperatures. That's this one. I can see super close up with that hole. I'll put something else under it. You have to get down close, I guess. Well, forget about the hole then, because it's not going to work on my camera maybe. But my eyes are seeing that it's very big. Yeah, I can see it with my eyes. Maybe if I pull back, you can see that's the electric sign. It's upside down too. Coming in upside down. It's weird. Okay. So I could see that really plain. And then here, go to the side. No, go to the bottom. That's how little it is. More words. Put more words up here. Nice. Maybe you can't tell in the camera. I can tell with my eyes. Yeah, and I can see the symbols in there. So, this is a different color temperature. So you can have blue. Okay, and then this is the magnification. Isn't it? Or the brightness. It's the brightness. Yeah, I was magnified in with the camera too. I guess this is a difficult thing to show. Okay. So it doesn't fit on the table that I personally work on, but now you know how it fits on a table, how probably most of them fit on a table. There is another way to hook it up. On the side, I haven't played around to see if I could adjust it like that. I don't know. I don't think it would help in this case. But it does fit on a regular flat table that's like board. Just be careful of that lip. You need a certain amount of space for that little circle to get back under there. Yeah. So this says 5 to 10 times magnifying glass with light and instructions. See, the light is already on there. That is nice. So let me get a diamond painting. Let's look at it for diamond painting. How does that look in this circle there? Because I'm seeing this is lit up for me. Okay. And how about one that hasn't been worked on? Here's a little cow. Yeah. Wow. Now I'm seeing that. Now I'm really seeing in a circle. What do you guys see in the circle? Yeah, you do. This was much better. So if you have just that one, yeah, it's way bigger. It's way bigger. That's the light. Okay. So, thank you very much to Nakoos for offering me this opportunity to show their product. I'll show you the box one more time because it's a nice box and I'm going to be keeping it, so you might see it around the house filled with some stuff. And hold up while I get some more information. There we go. So this product is $39.97, but there's a $6 coupon that you just can apply right there. Boop. And it's $6 off. And if you have Prime, there's no shipping and handling. So this is from Nakoos store. And they have other products here for different colors. Tells you all about the product. Yeah, I might just leave it at, well, I don't need to see up close like that. I wonder if I took my glasses. Yeah, I can see it without my reading glass. Actually, the reading glasses makes it look blurry. Well, I didn't think that was going to work, but all right, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video showing you this new product. I will leave links in the description if you're interested, but I could see through real good. Like, this would be real nice. If I could get it to work on my table, I would have it right beside my lamp, really. And, you know, it might not be a bad idea to make one with an extra bar in it. Like my lamp, too. Anytime I get one of these things that are on the hingy things, it's like I want more. Like I want it to be more. I don't know. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out and God bless.